Hi, welcome to another Drive with Care video. Now in this video, apart from the cold still persisting and it's raining, which is a good hazard perception thing, I've had a request. It's the first request I think I've actually had on this channel. It's from lucieni. I'm going to put the comment here, excuse me if I say the name wrong. He says, please do a drive through Whitstable High Street and back through Harbour Street. People think nothing of walking in the road. Hashtag entitled. Right, phone off. Engine wasn't running, so, you know. So I'm in Whitstable, and what, 5-10 minutes? Down the road, into the high street, around Harbour Street and back out again. Let's do it. Nothing coming. So yeah, because we've got the rain and drizzle, that in itself presents a mini hazard, because the road could be slippery and, you know, people are not being aware. But other than that, I'm looking out for pedestrians. Hashtag entitled. Is Whitstable High Street like that? Bit of traffic. Here we go. So I've come off the A2. I'm now going down this road. I don't know what it's called, but it'll be on the screen until we get down into High Street. All right. Nice old Pontiac in the drive there for sale. So I will be looking out for pedestrians. Cars coming out of junctions. There's one ahead. Indicators are on. Is he going to wait for me? He did. Car coming up the road with no headlights on. Dear me. I call that entitled. Pedestrian. Traffic slowing down. So cars parked on my side of the road. To be aware, pedestrians might be coming out. Car waiting to turn, and now he's going for it. Remember the 3 golden rules. There's a car in front with a bumper sticker saying, I'm going to stop, can you? There's an invisible car behind you, watching for your indicators or signals. And everybody else on the road is mentally deficient, so it's all up to you. So in other words, you've got to think for all the other drivers, you know. So that guy going in the garage, he may not have been able to complete the maneuver, so I would have had to stop. Maybe the road users of Whitstable are entitled. Right, traffic's coming to a stop up ahead. Traffic lights, that's why. Car parked on double yellows. Obviously dropping something off, because why else would you park on double yellows, right? No right turn. But I'm not turning right anyway. So this is going to be fun. Lots of cars, lots of pedestrians. Lucieni. Let's see how right you are. I'm going left on this mini roundabout. The mini didn't indicate off. Another car with no headlights on. Hashtag entitled. Zebra crossing, no one crossing it. Car turning left. Pedestrians everywhere. I will highlight the ones that do cross. It's not actually a crossing, but I don't know. Get on the pavement then. Walks halfway across and then just drifts into the road. Car pulling out from parked car. Car pulling out from parked car. There's a zebra crossing, but it's blocked off. I'm doing about 12 miles an hour here. I think this is one of the few, there's a car pulling out, this is one of the few high streets that's not been pedestrianised. Will the beamer think that he can squeeze through? No, he's waiting. Cheers, mate. I see the whole entitled bit there. The pavement isn't particularly wide, but people walk right on the edge. Parked on the zigzags by the zebra crossing, which obstructs my vision. Here's a hashtag entitled with his dogs. Hashtag entitled, I like that. Bus pulling out. Cobbled road on my system. An old oyster town, the fishing town of Whitstable. Look at these overhanging buildings, aren't they quaint? I'd like to think there's some RSJs supporting all of these things. Make sure they don't come crumbling down. Pedestrians crossing. I'm going to turn right here and go back down Harbour Street into the High Street again. Very narrow pavements. Watch for pedestrians. Yeah, crossing. On my left. Yeah, it wouldn't do to do more than 20 here, and I'm doing 10 at the moment. I'm not taking any chances. Road widens a bit. Pedestrians crossing. Going left at this junction, back onto the High Street. Clear my way. Oh, pedestrians crossing. Just before the pedestrian crossing, could have actually walked on. Don't know what this car's doing. You know, when you're so close to the crossing, just walk to the crossing, right? I see balloons. Someone getting out or in a car. Watch her lift off. No one crossing. Yeah, quite a few hazards there. Mostly pedestrians, right? Kept my eyes peeled all the time. It's not thorough rain, so my windscreen wipers are giving me a bit of a... They may need replacing very soon. So we've got a lot of build-up of traffic here. I'm not going to sit halfway in the middle of the road like this Ford is doing, just in case the oncoming traffic... Yeah, I can't get by now. Giving way and sitting around for oncoming traffic. Pedestrians, did I highlight them? Yeah, who's going to go then? Come on. Everyone for themselves. She did acknowledge, so that's fine. Not that it wouldn't have been fine. We'll get back through the railway bridge and conclude the video there. I think that was a good drive with care, don't you? Whitstable High Street. Quite a few hazards. Did you spot any I didn't spot? That's the question. It's a strange thing because suddenly you're driving offensively. In other words, you're not just, fifth gear, off we go. You're just thinking all the time about everything that you can see. There's a little indicate there. Lights are stopping. I'm back where I started. Let's conclude the video. Thanks for watching, bearing with. I'll see you in another video. Drive with care.